Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Science. Today we will start our video from neutralization in everyday life. In the same chapter we have also understood when an acid and bases are mixed in a suitable amount, it neutralizes each other's effect. So now we will see how these neutralization reactions are important in everyday life. Neutralization reactions helps to maintain the pH level in our body. Not only in human beings, it also helps to maintain pH level in soil and also in industries. So before knowing the examples of neutralizations in everyday life, let me introduce you to the concept called pH scale. Neutralization reactions helps to maintain the pH. So I'll explain you about pH scale, then we shall move on to examples of neutralization in everyday life. This is the pH scale. pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. If a substance has pH of 7, then it is called neutral. If any substance has pH less than 7 are called acids, or it will be acidic in nature, and a substance which has pH greater than 7 and if it ranges till 14, then it will be alkaline, or it is also called basic. It will be basic in nature and they are called bases. Hence, by using pH scale, we can measure the given substance is acidic, basic or even neutral in nature. Now let us look at few common neutralization reactions in everyday life. First example is indigestion. Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. This acid helps to digest the food that we eat. Too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion, and this indigestion will be painful. Because of the acid present in the stomach, it results in acidity, or sometimes it may also result in stomach disorder. So to get relief from indigestion, we take antacid. Antacid such as milk of magnesia. This contains magnesium hydroxide in it. Since it is basic in nature, it neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. So this is how neutralization reaction is so important in indigestion. Second example is ant bite. Ant sting can be painful. When an ant bites, it injects an acid called formic acid into the skin. This is very important. When ant bites, it releases formic acid into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda or by also using calamine solution. Baking soda, chemically it is called sodium hydrogen carbonate, and calamine solution contains zinc carbonate in it. Since these two substances, that is baking soda and calamine solution, are basic in nature, it neutralizes the effect of formic acid which is released by ants. And the third example is soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic. Most of the plants, they do not grow well when the soil is too acidic or too basic in nature. So it is very important to maintain the pH level of the soil. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with the bases like quicklime and slaked lime. Quicklime is also called calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is represented as CaO and calcium hydroxide is represented as CaOH twice. If the soil is too basic, then organic matter is used to maintain the pH level of the soil. These organic matters come from remains of plants and animals and their waste products. So these organic matters releases acids which neutralize the basic nature of the soil. This is how the neutralization reaction helps in soil treatment. And the last one is factory wastes. The neutralization reactions are useful in industry also. The wastes of many factories contains acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids in the waste will kill fish and other organisms. So it harms aquatic life. So the factory wastes are therefore neutralized by adding basic substances. So before allowing into the water, it will be mixed with basic substance and it will be neutralized. Once it is neutralized, then it will be allowed to flow into the water bodies. I would like to give you one more example of neutralization reaction in everyday life is tooth decay. Tooth decay is due to acid production in mouth. When we eat food, it results in the formation of an acid because of bacteria in the mouth. This leads to tooth decay. When we brush our teeth with toothpaste, this neutralizes the acid produced by bacteria in our mouth. It is because generally toothpaste will be basic in nature. So toothpaste neutralizes the acid and prevent our teeth from tooth decay. This concludes the chapter Acids, Bases and Salts. If you have liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up guys, please don't forget, because your likes means a lot to me. Please share the video with your friends and subscribe to Quick Science. All the best. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.